Okay, I want to mix it up a little bit and use the digital blackboard today. So I'm doing this and I've been working on the UNT Integration Bee, the sample problems. This is number 5. So we have here the integral of dx over x squared plus x plus 1. I think what I need to do is factor this. I need to factor this denominator, and what I want to do is complete the square to set this up. So how I'm going to do this, we notice on the x, there's a 1 coefficient. So what I'm going to do is take half of that. We'll just do x plus 1/2 squared. And then if you multiply that out, you notice we get x squared plus a half is our x plus 1/4. Well, we have one here. So to make this all work, I need to add 3/4 so that the 1/4 term plus the 3/4 is going to get us back to our 1. So now we haven't changed the problem. And then from here, what I can do is this 3/4, I want to have this as 2 squared terms. So what I'm going to do is write 3/4 square root of 3 over 2 squared. So I'm just going to take that and put that back over here. And from here, you might notice we're in good shape to kind of get this into our arctan formula. We have 2 squares here. So what I'm going to need to do is a u substitution. I'm going to call my u this piece, which is just x plus 1 over 2. And then that means our du is going to be dx. Shut that off. Okay, now from here, I'm going to go ahead and make this substitution. So we're going to have, instead of dx, we're going to have du here in the numerator. And then our x plus 1/2 is this u over here. So we're going to have u squared plus square root of 3 over 2 all squared. And this is in the form for our arctan integral. And let's just look at that formula really quick. Now, if we have this integral in the form of du over u squared plus a squared, the formula for this is just going to be 1 over a arctan or inverse tan and u over a. Where in this case, our a is just going to be the square root of 3 over 2 value. So now we'll go ahead and use this formula. But our a, we want the reciprocal, we want 1 over a, so that's going to be 2 over square root of 3. And then we're going to have, that's some poor handwriting. And then we're going to have our arctan, and again, 2 square root of 3 times u. But remember, u value is just going to be x plus 1/2. So to finish this off, I'm going to need to back substitute. So let's just do that right now. We're going to have 2 square root of 3 arctan, 2 square root of 3 x plus 1/2. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to distribute this in here for the final solution. So what we're going to have here is we'll have our 2 square root of 3 arctan, 2 square root of 3 x. Then when we multiply the 2 square root of 3 times 1/2, the 2's are going to cancel. We're going to have just 1 over square root of 3 plus c, and that's it. We're done. Yeah, that's pretty fun. I'm enjoying these UNT problems. We'll do a few more of these, and maybe we'll use the blackboard. I want to see, hopefully this recorded. I guess if this didn't record, you guys aren't hearing this right now. So yeah, let's see what happens, and stay tuned. We'll have more videos soon. Thanks. Have a good day.